Hi, you guys. This is a painting I did. It's a little jar. You can you make it. You make 4 lines, and then go like that all the way down to the end, and put a little curve. I'm gonna put some water, all that jazz. You get the idea. And I made some flowers. There's all sorts of different flowers you can make, but I am gonna show you guys how to make these beautiful raindrops on the flowers today. And then what you can do is leave space on the side and put a whole scripture. A great scripture for a painting with water is with it's God is close to the brokenhearted and crushed in spirit, because it makes them look, it's like like tears, like God is close to the brokenhearted and crushed in spirit, right? And there's raindrops. That's good. So this is what you do. You can trace it out with a pencil first. Oh, good job. Or you can just do freestyle like me. And I'm just gonna draw a teardrop with my liner paintbrush. The paintbrush I'm using is called a liner. And I'm gonna color it in. You're gonna have to have 3 shades: a dark blue, a middle tone blue, and a white. So I put the dark blue first, and then I go on my plate and I grab me some white and mix up me a middle tone. Now I got a middle tone blue. I'm gonna come back over here and I'm gonna paint this lower part in with that middle tone. Maybe add a little bit. No, I think that's pretty good. Because see, I got the dark at the top and a middle tone. And then I'll show you what to do with the white. Hang on. Okay. Now you're going to go in and get some white. This is so simple but powerful. It's an awesome, fun thing to paint. And then you're going to make it's like supposed to be a reflection of the water. Like light reflecting off the teardrop. So you put like a curved smiley face, kind of like here at the bottom or whatever. A little bit there. Kind of looks like baby blue, but that's alright. And then a little curved thing over here. Like that. And there you go. It's a raindrop. So be inspired to go and paint for Jesus Christ. God gave us a gift of creativity and talent, and He wants us to use that to serve Him and to share His word that changes people. I mean, you could do this on canvas or paper and give it to somebody, and they can tape it on their wall, or if it's canvas, put it on their wall, and they'll be looking at the scripture every day. It's a very powerful, effective tool for ministering to people, and sharing God's word, which is spirit and life. God says His word is like living waters. And He also says it's like sharper than a 2-edged sword. So be encouraged, be inspired, and go paint some flowers in a jar and put some water in there and put some raindrops and put a scripture number one, because you know what, you could have nice paintings, you could do this, but if you don't got the word of God on there, it's just another painting, really. I mean, it's nice to look at, but it's His word that's really powerful. My husband has awesome handwriting, so he's gonna paint a scripture on this side for the Lord, and it's gonna bless somebody. So, but yeah, include his word. So what I did here is I drew in my stems, and then I added the blue and I diluted it with water. Actually, it was alcohol because I was cleaning some old paintbrushes with alcohol. So I actually used alcohol here, but you just use a little bit of water with your paint to make a translucent blue, and then put like a white line going across the top like that, and then draw in the stems again and make it darker at the top part, and then draw in the stems again so they look like they're coming out of water. I hope you understand. I don't know how else to say it. Okay, I hope you're blessed. Be inspired. Bye. Woo! Wait, that's cool. Wait, you get a little close up real quick. See, they're easy to make. So easy. You could totally do this. You could do whatever flower you want to do. Look at that one. It looks so real. That's so cool. God bless you guys. Be inspired.